Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Google Drive login issues, permission and sync fixes step by step clearly. First, check your internet connection by opening a few different websites in your browser. If pages load slowly or fail, restart your modem or switch to a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Next, confirm you are using the correct Google account by opening Drive, Google.com, and checking the profile icon. If you are on the wrong account, sign out and sign in again with the account that owns the files. Now, update your browser to the latest version and restart it completely. Clear the browser cache and cookies. Then try logging into Google Drive again. Disable browser extensions one by one, especially ad blockers and privacy tools, and test Drive after each change. Open an incognito or private window and try to sign in there to rule out extension and cache issues. If login still fails, check Google account security by visiting My Account, Google.com, and reviewing recent security activity. Turn off any VPN or proxy temporarily, because it can trigger unusual sign-in blocks. If you see a cookies are blocked message, allow third-party cookies for Google.com and Drive, Google.com and browser settings. For permission errors, open the file link and read the exact message like request access or you need permission. If request access appears, click it and wait for the owner to approve. Then refresh the page. If you are the owner, open Google Drive, right-click the file, choose Share, and confirm the correct email is added. Set the correct access level by selecting Viewer, Commenter, or Editor based on what the user needs. Click the gear icon in Share settings and make sure viewers and commenters can see the option to download matches your intent. If the file is inside a restricted shared drive, verify the user is a member and has the required role. Check if the file was moved to trash, because shared links can break when items are deleted. Restore the file from trash if needed, then share it again and test the link. For sync issues on Windows or Mac, open Google Drive for desktop and make sure you are signed in. If it shows not connected, click Sign In, complete the browser login, and return to the app. Open Preferences and confirm the correct folders are selected for syncing and that mirror files or stream files is set as you want. Pause syncing and resume syncing once to refresh the connection. Quit Google Drive for desktop completely and relaunch it to restart the sync engine. Check your device storage and free space, because low disk space can stop syncing. Make sure your system date and time are correct, because wrong time settings can break authentication. If syncing is still stuck, disconnect your account in Drive for desktop settings and reconnect it carefully. As a last step, uninstall Google Drive for desktop, reboot your computer, then install the latest version from Google's official site. Subscribe to the channel and like the video to support more clear fixes like this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.